That's done.
Hey guys, it's starting to get a little colder outside in this part of the world, and we all love a little warmth in our life this time of year. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Switchbot Hub to incorporate some infrared candles into your smart home setup. Hey guys, Chris Young here from Homekitgeek, the channel bringing you new smart home content every week, focusing on the Apple ecosystem, but also looking at Amazon, Google, and whatever else I find interesting. If you find that interesting, do me a favor, subscribe and ring that bell below to be notified when new videos are added. Before we get started, I want to say thank you to Switchbot for sending me this care package for the holidays. I honestly didn't know what to expect from these, but I have been pleasantly surprised and actually able to execute on a project that I've wanted to do for years. For those of you not familiar with Switchbot, I'm going to put some links below from some of my friends who have done videos on this, incorporating this into your Apple smart home using Hoobs, Homebridge, those kinds of things. I'm not going to do that today. I wanted to go straight Apple. To get this working, you're going to need a Switchbot Hub with the IR blaster function in it. What that means is it's going to be able to control any of your traditional infrared controlled devices. This is kind of common from what Switchbot does in that they're trying to bring our old dumb devices into the new world by doing something as simple as pressing a button for us. I don't know about you guys, but there are rooms where I love to have my tech on display, and there are other rooms where I like to have it understated. I just want things to work, and I don't want people knowing that there's a whole bunch of tech in that room. The Switchbot Mini is perfect for that. As you can see from the size of this device, it's tiny square device, very small, unobtrusive, and most people wouldn't even notice it's there. So as far as the setup goes, this was very easy. Take it out of the box, download the Switchbot app, and get it all connected. The next thing we needed to do was order some candles from Amazon and see if we could get this working. Now, as a point to notice here, these candles come in a couple different flavors. You can get the infrared versions or the RF frequency, and those are not the same thing. The RF will not work with this. You need to make sure you look for that infrared. The remotes may even look the same. You might want to order just one set just in case to make sure you're getting the right product. And that's exactly what I did. So for this next step, we're just going to need the remote, and we're going to point it at the Switchbot to learn whichever IR frequency is going to turn the candles on and off. So we're going to have to create two of those. Once that's done, I'm going to create a scene within Switchbot because that's the only way this will get exposed, at least as far as I could tell, as a Siri shortcut. So to be clear about this, this is not an Apple HomeKit product, and I am not using Homebridge or Hoobs or Home Assistant or anything else. This is absolute native Apple ecosystem here. Now that I've got this set up as a Siri shortcut, I'm going to use the personal shortcuts on a spare phone I have running iOS 14 to be able to just turn this on in the evening and turn it off later in the evening so I don't leave the batteries going all night long. Assuming you've got your Apple HomePod set up for personal requests, this will also work as a command that will allow your HomePods to be able to turn these on and off anytime during the day as you see fit. So if you want to have these on a little earlier, have them on a little later, staying up late, watching a movie, just want to set a romantic setting, whatever that is, that will work for you. So as you can see here from the finished product, I've got a lot of candles right now. I'm going to have to spread these out a little bit, but it is working. It is working fantastically. I have these old, kind of cheap infrared candles, and I have them incorporated into my smart home. Fully Apple, no Amazon, no Hoobs, no Google, none of that. All Apple ecosystem using Siri shortcuts and personal shortcuts on my iPhone. So I'd love to hear your feedback on this project. It's something I've been trying to do for a while, but just haven't found the right way to get an infrared blaster into the Apple ecosystem. Definitely Siri Shortcuts is not HomeKit, but it is in the Apple ecosystem. I feel better that my data is going to be protected a little more. I'm not leaking data outside of my house, and frankly, it just works, which is kind of amazing. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys have any comments or questions, do me a favor, put those in the video comments below. I'll get to those as quickly as I can. For those of you trying to recreate this at home, I have put affiliate links in the video details below. Like, shares, always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed already, do me a favor, consider doing that, as it really does support the channel. And now, right about here or here, YouTube should be showing a video that they think you might be interested in next. See you guys soon.